languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 11 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vegetables. Let's start with today's lesson. Vegetable.
Le légume,
Carrot.
la carotte,
Potato.
la pomme de terre,
Sweet potato.
la patate douce,
Tomato.
la tomate,
Onion.
l'oignon,
Garlic.
l'ail,
Lettuce.
la laitée,
Spinach.
l'épinard,
Cabbage.
le chou,
Cauliflower.
le chou-fleur,
Broccoli.
le brocoli.
That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Kale.
Le chou frisé,
Brussels sprouts.
les choux de Bruxelles,
Cucumber.
le concombre,
Zucchini.
la courgette,
Eggplant.
l'aubergine,
Bell pepper.
le poivron,
Chili pepper.
le piment,
Celery.
le céleri,
Mushroom.
le champignon,
Pear.
le pois,
Green bean.
le haricot vert,
Asparagus.
l'asperge,
Corn.
le maïs.
That is the next set. Once again, please rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Beet.
La betterave,
Radish.
le radis,
Turnip.
le navet,
Parsnip.
le panais,
Pumpkin.
la citrouille,
Squash.
la courge,
Artichoke.
l'artichaut,
Leek.
le poireau,
Fennel.
le fenouil,
Okra.
le gombo,
Rhubarb.
la rhubarbe,
Chard.
la bête, les blettes,
Collard greens.
le chou cavalier,
Mustard greens.
les feuilles de moutarde,
Dandelion greens.
le pissenlit.
That is the next set. Once again, please rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Scallion.
L'oignon vert,
Shallot.
l'échalote,
Bamboo shoot.
la pousse de bambou,
Ginger.
le gingembre,
Horseradish.
le réfort,
Parsley.
le persil,
Basil.
le basilic,
Cilantro.
La coriandre.
dill,
L'aneth.
mint,
La menthe.
rosemary,
Le romarin.
thyme,
Le thym.
sage,
La sauge.
bay leaf,
Le laurier.
tarragon,
L'estragon.
oregano,
L'origan.
chive.
La ciboulette.
And with that we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. We will meet again in the next video.